Goodbye to gray hair. Homemade and natural dye to recover the original color of your blonde hair. Gray hair is hair that turns gray or white due to a loss of pigmentation, specifically due to a progressive loss of melanin, which, among other functions, provides color to the hair. Gray hair can be observed in a specific area of the head, in the form of strands or throughout the hair, and can be annoying for some people who decide to cover it up. If you have blonde hair, there is a homemade alternative that could revolutionize your routine in this regard. It is the combination of chamomile and turmeric, which is not only affordable, but is also effective in returning your hair to its original tone. How to prepare homemade dye for gray hair. We present a simple and effective recipe to cover those gray hairs naturally. The recipe is simple and requires easily accessible ingredients. To prepare the dye, follow these steps. Make a chamomile infusion using 2 tea bags. Allow it to cool and remove the bags. In a bowl, mix a tablespoon of turmeric powder with hot water until you get a smooth, homogeneous paste. Add the chamomile tea to the turmeric mixture, stirring until you get a more liquid paste. How to apply homemade dye for gray hair. Use a brush to apply the dye, making sure to cover all areas with gray hair. Let it sit for 50 minutes. If the presence of gray hair is considerable, it is recommended to extend the application time up to 2 hours. For those with few gray hairs, 30 minutes will be enough. Rinse the hair with warm water until the water runs clear. Then wash and condition the hair as usual. The properties of chamomile and turmeric on hair. Specialists support the choice of these ingredients as a natural solution to conceal gray hair. Turmeric, known for its lightening properties, helps to brighten hair. Its main component, curcumin, acts as an antioxidant that can help to tone gray hair, giving it a golden tone. On the other hand, chamomile also stands out for its lightening compounds, such as apigenin. These ingredients, combined appropriately, not only offer a natural alternative to commercial dyes, but also provide additional benefits for hair health. Subscribe for more videos about beauty and health. Until next time.